There are people that you are experiencing right now today that are rolling their eyes at you, mad at God because of a mess that they created. I want you to hear me. The devil has some people's minds so twisted that they don't understand that we are creators in this environment. From the very beginning, God demonstrated who we are. He talked about who we were. He said, let's make man and woman in our image. Let's give them power and authority and dominion over the earth to subdue it, to bring it under your control. We are gods with a little bitty g. And most people don't understand the power that they possess inside. So they have thoughts, and they don't understand that thoughts become things. They tamper with their internal biology by putting foreign substances in it, which is tied to their brain, to their mind. And they're mad at God because they continue to take the actions to make sure that they are temporarily disconnected to the frequency of heaven. How you gonna sit up day after day after day, time after time after time, year after year after year, and you consistently take wrong actions instead of right actions in your life, and you want to sit down and you don't want to hear anything that anybody has to say to help you? So then people begin to withdraw from you because of the ill spirit that you are carrying. And so you sit there, you throw tantrums, you act a blatant fool, and you curse God because of the mess that you made up in your life. Oh, I want you to understand that some people are dealing with this type of spirit today. They're dealing with somebody that is so completely out of control that they sit there and they blame God. They have put across every action. They have cursed their own future with their own tongue. They don't understand that the power of life or either death is in your mouth, which stimulates from your mind through your heart. They don't even understand that they are a ball of spiritual energy that has the power to produce in this environment based on core beliefs. Well, I believe it when I see it. I ain't trying to hear that right now, honey. None of that don't really ever work for me. I done tried praying. I done tried this and I done tried that. But in your heart, by you even speaking that way, by people even speaking that way, in their heart, they don't believe. Can't nobody come into your whole being and change you but the God that you continue to cuss. And I pray for people that have been turned over to a reprobate mind, to where they're absolutely abundantly crazy, to where they continue to take the wrong actions day after day in their lives, and then they want to turn around and curse God because of decisions that they made. They mad at you and rolling their eyes at you because you got peace in the midst of your storm. You understand that you're still producing. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's not really activated spiritually in your experience. And they want to shun you, talk negative towards you, roll their eyes at you, and be angry at you because you still believe, because you still have faith, because you've got that mustard seed that you have put into the ground that has begun to germinate through the hollows of your subconscious mind, and it is now rooted in your spirit. You are beginning to produce some things into this spiritual realm of life that nobody sees but you and God. And I tell you the truth, verily, 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 I tell you the truth, baby. It's only a matter of time before it shows up in your experience. So there then, what are they going to do at that point? Turn around and say, oh, well, it just worked for them. It don't work for me. It just do this for me. It's a core belief. People's minds have been hijacked through the things that they do on a daily basis, the way that they think, the time they spend with God. Do they really believe? Are you eating things that are high vibrational things that God created for you to be able to hear? Or are you putting things, foreign substances in your body? Everything is artificially just laced with all kind of chemicals. You're drinking alcohol, you're doing drugs, and you don't understand why you don't believe. You don't understand why you're so negative. You don't understand why your life is so jacked up. You don't understand why you are 100% crazy. And you don't understand why you're rolling your eyes at somebody that's doing what they're supposed to do in God. You're rolling your eyes and you mad at them because they choose to be obedient, because they choose to believe in unseen things. And I tell you the truth, baby, that they mad today and cursing God over a mess that they made for themselves. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I believe in you. Bye now.